Hi Kaong buddies, just an update. It's already 1:56 a.m. So today is February 18. So I just wanted to share with you guys my experience when I started applying as a home-based virtual assistant. So I started working since 2021 when pandemic happened. So, I am not really sure kung ano yung i-offer ko na service. But then, since I did my research kung anong pwede kong maibigay na service or trabaho or help sa mga client, which I listed down all the skills that I have. So, the first skill that I really have was the phone skill or communication skill. So since I have an experience in a BPO company as a call center representative, so that's why nagkaroon ako ng gut to apply. However, the first job that I have was not a customer service representative. I actually had my first home-based job as an ESL teacher. So there are actually a lot of ESL teaching companies. Like meron kang from 5 a.m. until 12 midnight na ESL teaching company. Ang name niya is Glatz. I don't know if you've heard about that. Glatz. That's Glatz. Sorry, hindi ako marunong pa mag-edit ng video, but I'll just put the name of the company through comment. Glatz. So they are often they are open, or they you if ma-hire ka, mag-start yung work mo from 5 a.m. 5 a.m. You can open your class from 5 a.m. until 12 midnight, and then yung sahod nila is hindi naman gaano kalakihan, but if you are a working mom or a working dad, that is fair enough kasi at least you're just at home and then you're earning. Second is we have 5-1 talk, and I think most people would would agree na mas kilalang platform si 5-1 Talk. And then aside from that, meron din Akadsok, merong Palfish, merong ano pa ba? Merong Star Club, merong actually there are a lot. I can